What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In this video I will show you an important tweak that you must download. This tweak will allow you to hack many popular apps easily with just one click. This tweak will allow you to hack more than 300 apps easily, and it is completely free. To download this tweak, first go to Cydia. Now go to the sources here and add this source, Arico source. After adding the source, open it. Go to Tweaks. Now here you will find the tweak, which is AppsHack. This tweak is one of the important tweaks that allows you to hack apps easily and allows you to bypass jailbreak detection and buy in-app purchases for free. Alright guys, now all you have to do is just install the tweak. Click Modify, Install, Confirm. I already installed the tweak, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the settings, scroll down and search for the tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. The first option here allows you to remove ads from some apps and games that contains ads. The second option is to hide the jailbreak from the apps, and this option will allow you to bypass the jailbreak detection. Of course guys, it does not work on all apps. The third option here is free in-app purchase, and this option allows you to hack in-app purchases. Of course, it doesn't work on all apps and games. This feature is of course similar to the local IAP store tweak. Okay, here below you will find the apps that you can hack easily and with just one click. As you can see here, from here you can hack design apps and get the full version of these apps easily. There are many popular apps that you can hack easily with this tweak. All you have to do is just enable this button here. You can hack many popular apps such as Darkroom, Viva Video, Videolib, and more. From here you can hack sports and health apps. From here you can hack VPN apps and get the full version of these apps. There are several famous apps. And from here you will find music apps that you can also hack easily. From here you will find many different apps that you can hack. There are many apps here. As you see, a lot of apps are here and you can get the full version of them easily. From here you will find learning apps that you can hack as well. From here you will find some apps for social media. Here you will find some apps for Instagram. And here you will find some apps for TikTok. And here you will find some apps for Twitter. Of course, you can hack all of these apps easily with just one click. All you have to do is just enable the button next to the app name. Alright guys, this tweak is one of the most important tweaks that allows you to hack apps easily, and it is completely free tweak. This tweak was paid, but now it is completely free. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.